I give you thanks, O Lord, with my whole heart.
Tatlong yun, iba-iba ang way ng pag-potty train namin. Basting all the way. Recommended kasi tawag siya parang low stimulation siya. This will be the Christmas that we will not spend a lot.
Welcome back to our channel.
Good morning. What are you doing there? Are you reading book? Huh?
Shasha.
You want to cha-cha? Eat na? Okay. Let's eat na. Hey, Faye. Good morning. Oh. Thank you, Lord, for protecting us last night, and right now we hope for making Faye sleep well, and for the new day.
It's raining.
Yeah, it's okay if it's raining. It's not that strong. Thank you, Lord, for the rain. Because what will the rain do? It will water the plants.
Dog.
Hot dog! Grabe! Grabe! Yummy? Yummy? Sure? You want more? Really? Gabi ba? Second na?
Kagapon ako mga kagapon. Nang namitan sa kanila kagapon sa daan.
Because yeah, you also put tuna.
Dog.
Okay, and tuna. Okay?
Dog.
Okay.
But the wild dog's not my favorite. Just
Tuna is your favorite, really? Tuna with egg?
yes.
I thought nuggets is your favorite.
It's also my favorite. I have many favorites. But few less. I have different all the rest favorite.
Psalms 137. By the waters of Babylon, there we sat down and wept. When we remembered Zion, on the willows there we hung up our lyres, for there our captors required us. You know, this Psalm Saga is a very, very sad Psalms. The one that write this one, that write the Psalms, did you understand it? No. It is very sad because they were taken away as captives in another land. Example, you live in the Philippines, they're taken by other countries and they bring you to other countries where you do not know anything. You know, so they were very, very sad. Because Psalms 138 is of David na. It's a Psalms of David. I give you thanks, O Lord, with my whole heart. You see, even David is a very grateful person. No? He thanked the Lord with his whole heart. Did you feel that already? Did you do that also actually?
The water.
You thank the Lord because you are very grateful with your whole heart.
Unicorn.
Unicorn! What color? What color?
Blue.
Oh, how about this one? What color is this? Go, you put water.
It's yellow.
You paint first, you paint.
Put more
What color is that?
yellow. I like to paint with kite also.
Nico.
Mommy.
Kaya mo, no. I will talk. Can I talk na? Good morning! Hi guys! Welcome to the vlog! What is that? What is that na?
Hi guys, good morning. It's Saturday and it's the weekend and we don't have class and we don't have I don't have work. So, namin ngayon, pahinga namin. Gising na yung mga kids and we have our breakfast. Tapos, syempre si Daddy kasi may work pa siya last night so sleeping pa siya ngayon. Dapat magbabalay si Ellie at 10 a.m. Pero yun nga, sick kasi yung teacher nila, yung ballet teacher nila. So, hindi matutuloy. So, we'll be staying here at home. And I think that's good news for me also kasi may mga nakapila akong dapat gawin dito sa bahay. I shared yung sa previous vlog, yung what we're trying right now ni Daddy. And that is really slowing down sa lahat ng mga ginagawa namin. And really being more intentional sa pag-spend time sa mga kids namin and with our schedule. Update na lang with the kids. Ang kay namin, nagpa-potty train na kami. Honestly, regarding potty training, iba talaga yung approach namin with our 3 kids. Nasadaan siya. With Ellie, I tried yung parang super, parang more on strict pa kasi first time mom, dapat ganito at this age, lahat ng yan. Kaya sobrang grabe talaga. Parang it's not a good experience for us kasi sobrang stress kami ni Daddy. Talagang more on sa galit, lahat ng yan. Kasi syempre, ma-frustrate ka if you will not know if hindi perfect yung process na yon, lahat ng yun. Pero we learned, parang ganon. Then, tapos kay Faye naman, iba naman yung naging experience namin sa kanya. Parang mas naging lenient na kami, waited for the right. Parang yun yung na-learn ko kasi kay Ellie. May mga signals ka na makikita kapag ready na sila mag-potty train. So, yung kay Faye, parang half siya. Structured yung potty train. We really have that routine. Tinituruan siya. Talagang incorporate lahat ng yun. Tapos, but we waited for the right time, right na signal sa kanila. Kung kailan ready na sila talaga mag-potty train. Mahirap pa rin siya. And andun pa rin. Pero for this time, for Faye, Kai, we don't want na parang, I know that it's not right na naubusan kami ng pasensya, na we're having that negative, the mga feelings, na frustrated kami in helping Kai. Ganun pa rin until now. Pero mas siguro yung point ngayon kay Kai, structured siya in a different way. Tapos, syempre, in-incorporate din siya namin of what we can do with our schedule right now. Kasi sobrang mix-up na yung schedule nila with School of Achi. Si Faye, iba din. Tapos si Kai, ganun. Pero sa kanila, for Achi Ellie, na potty train siya namin at 3 years old, nung turning 3 siya, si Faye yung early. Si Faye na potty train na siya turning 2 years old pa lang. Pero kasi si Faye, sa lahat sa kanila, siya yung parang advanced. Siya yung maganda yung nakaagad, yung communication skills niya. So, nakaka-express siya of what she wants, lahat ng yun. And maliban doon, syempre, nasundan siya agad ni Kai. So, parang may konting pressure doon sa kanya na dapat mapati train na siya. Parang ganun. Kaya, parang talaga, advanced talaga yung kay Faye. So, 2 years old siya. Si Kai, I just turned 3 years old. And dito lang kami. Honestly, yung process namin kay Kai, since from the start talaga. Nung 2 pa lang siya, nag-start na kami. So parang, alam mo yun, hindi siya namin inisip. Before kasi, parang kay Ellie sa kay Faye, na dapat within 1 week, matapos manapati trained na sila. Parang ganun. Yung kay naman, we really incorporate it sa kanya and try to wait out kung yung sa schedule niya and how we do it. Kasi alam naman namin na 3 years old pa lang naman siya. Parang ganun yun. The mindset, the perspective. So yun nga, honestly, it's very weird. Na kaya pa rin siya. That's what we learned. Kasi kay and Faye, kay Ellie, grabe, sinunod yan namin. 3 yung namin, yung potty. 3-4 ba yun? Kasi dapat daw, isa sa mga nabasa namin before, every corner of your house may potty para kung kunyari may accident siya or anything, nang tawag nito, makapag siya dyan siya mag-potty train lahat. Pero pagka next thing, syempre hindi siya sustainable. Well, hindi ka madaming pera para bumili ng madaming potty. So, hindi na siya nag-workout. Parang it doesn't work out for us. Ba, you found the stick. Oh.
Yum!
Okay, 1 lang. So, next nun, ang kay Faye naman, We just had one potty. Tapos, dahil kasi galing pa kay Ellie, nagdiretso kami sa big potty. Nagbili lang ako nung parang seat na pwede sila makaupo sa big potty. Ang nakakatawa is for Kai. Kasi si Kai, walang potty, diretso siya sa seat, sa toilet seat talaga, without even yung kasi nasira na. So, hindi na ako nakabili ulit ng parang sa seat na yon. And I tell you, mommies, sa tatlong yun, iba-iba ang way ng pag-potty train namin. Ang gamit, ang structure, ang routine. But honestly, all of them was potty trained successfully. Totoo yan. Si Kai ngayon, paunti-unti, pero getting there, gumagaling na siya. Talagang kahit naka-diaper siya minsan, kasi kami, diaper and panty, nagmi-mix up pa. Nalalaman niya na, nagsasabi na siya, yun lang, hindi niya alam ang pupo and wiwi. So palagi niya sinasabi, pupo talaga, pero wiwi yung mini-min niya, parang ganun. Pero dinidiretso na siya namin, and yun talaga, she was able to learn it without any diretso sa toilet. Parang, gets mo, doon ko naisip na, grabe, parang, naisip ko na lang yung time kay Ellie, yung galit ko, yung stress ko, and everything. Is it really worth it? Parang ganun. Kasi with Kai right now, yun nga, napati train din siya namin. Meron, syempre na-frustrate kami kasi siya talaga, it will take time. Effort siya, lahat na yun. Wala namang easy na potty training. Effort lahat yun kasi nagtuturo ka ng skill, tinuturuan mo yung anak mo. Pero, if you're a first time mom, wag ma-stress, hindi siya worth it. But isa ang key doon. It's consistency and discipline pa rin. Kahit anong mangyari, you're building a character sa mga anak niyo. So you need to set rules, you need to set boundaries na yung ganun talaga. You need to be consistent. Hindi pwedeng pabayaan mo, it's okay lang, kapati-train naman pala yan. Wala siya. You're still intentional. And the heart or knowing all of that, yun, nakukuha mo siya with that. So, just be consistent. Kung ito yung goal niyo, okay, ngayon magpapanty talaga tayo for Kai, or magda-diaper tayo. But every time, dapat every morning, ipapawiwi mo siya para malaman niya. Hindi siya sobrang pabaya talaga. No. I mean lang, the stress is gone. The frustrations is gone. Yung mga negative emotions niyo with it, nagsigawan dito, galit dito, parang ganun na, nawala na siya compared with our 2 kids. Pero yun nga, hindi siya easy pa rin. Ganun pa rin siya. Kaya dapat disciplined pa rin lahat ng yun. And you need the help of everyone in the house. So, syempre madami pa rin akong nilabahan. Ang daming accidents ni Kai at first, lahat ng yun. Ganun din naman kina Ellie, Faye, lahat ng yun. Pero, gets nyo, I hope you learn from that experience. I have it with my 3 kids and nag-i-improve. Hopefully nga, dapat natutunan ko na siya at my first. Kawawa naman ng Ellie ko. Ito na ngayon ang setup ng yung Christmas tree namin. Yung Christmas tree na pinabayaan. We have an addition to our family. Family. Because yan isa yun sa mga lifestyle na minimake doon namin ngayon. So we prepared it ni Daddy. Ang Christmas tree na to, my kids are very excited. Lahat ng yun. So I let them. Sabi ko kayong mag-decorate. Silang nag-set up. Sinet up ko lang yung tree. Tapos sila na. Sabi ko kayo bahala. Pero hindi na siya ata na-maintain. We have a cat. We have a toddler. Kawawa na yung Christmas tree. So, number 1 assignment ko yan ngayon.
Tree.
The tree, the Ellie, Faye, and Kai. Okay, done. Next, we're gonna get the ribbon.
Yes.
Because why is the ribbon like this?
No.
You untangle the ribbon first. Next, let's fix the... What's next? Okay.
I want to if our Christmas tree.
Come here, Achi. You sing mommy. You sing to mommy. Come here.
Oh, jingle bells, jingle bells.
Bells jingle all the way.
Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle bells. Oh, what fun it is on Christmas. How can I hang all the candy canes?
Yeah, Daddy will talk. Anong Chris, mommy? Christmas tree. Kay, Kay. Kay, Kay. Look at mommy. Kay, smile. Ang next na tackle ko, honestly, ito. Yung shoe box namin. Kasi, dito yan first. Yung binili ko, yung parang, ano ba yan, wood panels. Oo, na parang kind of shoe rack. Siyempre, nasa labas siya. Doong mga how many times na umulan, wala. Natamaan siya lahat. Nag-molds, nasira. Yun. Kaya, nag-plan kami ni Daddy na plastic na yung bibilhin namin for outside. Babakuha ko bigyan nga from isa ka knock na kasi ba. Oh, what's this? Yes, we are in the car and I'm with Daddy. He is awake na kasi ginising ko siya. Plan ko sana ako nang gagawa ng mga errands pero Mommy is clingy today. I need my hubby. So, ginising ko siya. Sabi ko, samahan niya ako. So, we will continue. Honestly, may mga parang nakalista na kaming mga errands na dapat gawin. Kasi mga past weeks talagang hindi kami makalabas-labas. So, parang sinabay siya namin. So, yesterday, may mga natapos na kami. Yun yung kanina, yung mga sa shoebox namin, lahat mga kailangan. And, I think meron pa. More on sa mga kailangan groceries. Magbibake kasi ako ulit na ng cookies. So, yun, ang ingredients para doon. I'll be buying also. Kids, okay naman sila doon. They enjoyed. May introduce ako sa kanila na bagong parang show. It's Daniel Tiger Neighborhood. Sina-introduce na yan namin kay, Ellie before. Pero, I don't know why. Parang hindi niya na-appreciate. Tapos, ayaw niya. But, it is really recommended kasi, tawag siya, parang low stimulation siya na videos. Nasa YouTube siya. Low stimulation siya na videos. Tapos, it teaches your kids parang good characters, manners, how to obey their parents, mga ganun. So, sobrang ganda niya. Educational din siya. Nagtiteach din sila dun ng mga parang, it start colors, letters, nila, ini-implement, ini-incorporate nila sa mga series nila. Tapos ngayon kasi, nag-stop talaga ako sa mga kids, diba, nung mga parang mga shorts, yung mga palang ilang minutes lang. Yung pinapawatch namin sa kanila, yung parang may story, full story, natatapusin nila, it practice their patience in watching also and knowing the stories ng mga pinapanood nila. So, ngayon, mas madali-dali yung catch kay kasi andun yung sisters niya. Tapos nakikita niya na very interested yung dalawa. So, parang tinatry niya rin na panoorin. So, pero that one kasi, napanood na namin yan before ni Daddy. Nakikisabay kami kay Ellie. So, it's really good. One of the parang shows sa YouTube na we recommend for your kids if you want na kapag mag-screen time sila. So, how is it?
It's okay. It's nice. Kasi gutom lang ko.
I'll try this one. Pauwi na kami. And, hindi pa rin natapos ang mga errands namin. We just can't. Sa grocery pa lang yung grocery lang yung nagawa namin. So that later we can also bake. Pero we need to go home because it's already 1 p.m. Tapos 2 p.m. andun na yung namin. Mga D-group namin for our discipleship group. Hello! Kay! Kabulik ko, be. One week ko sa'yo, siya gabisig siya. Tegang pa ka sa buso. Kami pa dyan. Hindi. Wala pa. You wanna watch a movie? Okay. Yay!
How about TV?
You watch TV, watch a movie. We'll watch a Christmas movie. Daddy will choose and play.
Tata, where are you? Tata, where are you?
Hey, the movie was done. One of our parang ginagawa talaga every Christmas to really help out the kids to enjoy yung season. Lahat ng yun is, na-plan kami ni Daddy to have a parang movie marathon. Parang, ayun nga, starting nung December. Kasi nag-start lang kami ngayon kasi may class pa yung mga kids. So, every weekend lang until kapag no class na sila until the Christmas. Pero, hindi pa ako nakakomplete with my decorations. Paunti-unti pa lang. Meron yung dito. Di ba makita? Wait lang. Yan. Tapos, syempre yung Christmas tree. Tapos, parang paunti-unti. I'm trying to, yun nga, para ma-feel talaga ng mga kids. Ay, alam namin with Achi Ellie, talagang someone yan na nilulook forward niya every year. Kapag Christmas talaga, alam niya yan kasi na parang may ginagawa talaga, may piniprepare, lahat ng yun. Pero I think this Christmas, yung mag-change siya sa amin is yung, gift giving. Ngayon, we plan, nung nag-talk out kami kay Ellie, this will be the Christmas that we will not spend a lot. Siyempre, with our situation, lahat ng yun. And we really want for them na hindi mawala yung totoong purpose ng Christmas. So, after that, gagawa kami. Kaya ngayon, nagsastart na kami ni Daddy to really read the Bible with them, tell them why there's a Christmas, what's the purpose of everything. Talagang we focus on what is important or what is the true purpose of Christmas. Then, even with the gifts, yun yung una namin kinuha. Kasi parang, yun yung something na nilulook forward nila. I know. Magbibigay pa rin kami sa kanila, pero yun na nga, it will not be a lot. Sinasabi kami kay Ellie na, you can still give, gifts, pero gusto namin hindi siya something na binili, something na ginawa siya, or something na or you're using it tapos i-gift mo sa iba, or even kahit dito sir, kaya gumagawa na sila ng mga letters, ng Christmas cards. Gagawa lang kami activity para magfo-focus kami ni Daddy sa Christmas Day on that one, something that spending time, quality time with one another. So we are praying. We don't know kung ano mangyayari and everything, what will be their response, pero we'll be more intentional in teaching them, encourage you to prioritize. If you don't have a group yet, find one and really prioritize yung time nyo or invest your time sa fellowship, sa discipleship, because there's protection in it. Alam mo yun, yung learning namin. Kanina kami ni Daddy yung nag-lead with our upline about Nehemiah 3, and grabe yung the reflection, how we meditate the word. It's just, ang ganda niya when we were able to translate it or share it with the group and share each of our experiences or share kung paano nag-work si Lord sa amin, sa our life namin, and I really appreciate it. Kaya nga, even kanina na-remind ako, why am I doing this vlog? I'm doing this to really share our life, to use our life as a good testimony for the Lord. And really, kahit sa mga ganitong time, I'll be able to encourage you in whatever season you are right now. So, I think that's it for today. I hope that, we're able to encourage you. And, may mga plans din ba kayo for Christmas? Anong plans niyo for your family? Lahat ng yun, you can share it in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe, so that you'll be updated with my next vlog, or you can also follow me in Facebook or in Instagram, Mommy Doc Diaries. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye!